Happy Tuesday. Hello, hello, hello. Come on in, come on in. You see? Now take it away. Hello, hello. Happy Tuesday. How's everybody doing today? Okay. Let's see here. I'll get an easy meal today. How's everybody doing today? I have whole wings, so what I like to do, I cut them in pieces. And guess what? I leave the wing tip, the wing tip on. That's what I do. It's meat. It's meat. I think it's cheaper to buy the family pack and then just cut your wings up if you want the wing pieces. Party wings or what they call them. Wing dings or whatever you want to call them. You call them party wings, drumnets, whatever you want to call them. I get the family pack. And since I only cook for two, I split them. Split the pack up. Some of them I leave whole, and other them I cut. And sometimes I just split them with flats on one freezer bag, drum nuts in the other. According to how I'm feeling. That's how I do them. So today I got both. What I'm gonna do, so just cut them in half, just like that. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna season them. I already washed my hands and all that good stuff. I'm not frying them, I'm putting them in the oven. I'm gonna show you all the seasoning I'm gonna use. Sazon, black pepper. I got a little lemon pepper seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder. Put just a little chili powder on there. Okay. So we're gonna do the wings. Show you what I'm doing here. So it's actually 8 wings. What I did, I just cut them. So these are the flats with the tips on them. So I'm gonna season these first. Then I'm gonna do the drums. And you're probably wondering why I did it that way. Why I didn't keep them whole. Because I wanted to. Okay, I'm putting my pepper on here. Just like that. Okay. Just a little lemon pepper. Flavor. Onion powder. I don't want to come out. Come on that side. Now we're talking. Welcome in, everybody. Garlic. I'm not using any salt because Just a little. Sprinkle just a little chili. And everything that you see me putting on this side, I'm going to flip it up, rub it down. I'm going to put it on the other side. I'm going to put the Sazon on last. Just switching my hand off. Okay. Same thing. Doesn't matter which order you season the meat, as long as you put the season on there. No particular order. Still gonna taste the same. Gonna taste the same. How's everybody doing today? On this wonderful, blessed Tuesday. Okay. I got these nice and seasoned. Okay. These right in here. Now I'm going to season the drums. Goes right on here. Same seasoning. That's my bowl out. So what I'm doing now, I'm prepping my meat. I normally do it the day before. I actually didn't know what I was going to cook today. I said, you know what? I feel like chicken today. I'm still on my 1 meal a day. So I'm doing chicken, baked chicken, the baked these. We'll have some salads. Check that out. Okay. Put pepper on there. All over the chicken. Don't want to come out. A little chili on there, chili powder. I don't know. I like a lot of garlic, y'all. A lot of garlic powder. Got onion powder. Lemon pepper. Now I'm going to flip. Season the other side. Alright. I clean all my seasons before I put them up. So if you're wondering. Onion powder. That was garlic powder. This is onion powder. I think I want a little more garlic. Just a little bit more. Lemon pepper. Now I'm going to put it all in the bowl with the rest of the chicken. Yeah. I got a packet of Sazon. Half a packet. So spread it like that. All around. That's it. Let them marry all together. Okay. One thing about the Sazon, you have your fingers and everything orange. Take my water over here. I'm gonna be ready to put my meat in my pan. I'm gonna throw it in the oven. And get ready for my salad. Chicken is all seasoned up. I know everybody use different seasonings. Everybody cook different. Because everybody know what they like. Everybody know what they like and what they don't like. Okay. Got that all done. My oven is already preheated. Pan I'm using. I'm laying, all of them should fit because I'm laying them a certain way. Up, down, up, down, up, down, if you know what I mean. Okay. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. That way. That way. It should all fit. Perfect. I'll show you how I got them. Just like that. So they all will fit. Can you see? Closer? Alright. So I'm gonna hit my I like to put just a little Worcestershire sauce on the meat, and I'm gonna add some chicken broth. Give it a little flavor. I like using this because this is the perfect size for my pan. Perfect size. There, it covers up perfectly. Put it right on in the oven. I had it preheating on 450, but I want to start it with 425. Now I'm going to turn it down. I'll clean up a mess here. Hello, 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 everybody. Okay. Clean up this mess right quick. That we don't have a lot. But welcome in, everybody. Welcome in. What are you guys doing today? Matter of fact, how are you doing today? How's everybody doing today? I know it's a bit early, huh? I'm usually a little late. Early today. I got up real early today. My husband had an appointment. I had an appointment. I got another one tomorrow. Got an early start today. I like to have my appointments early, get it all done and over with. And I stopped at the store, picked up a few things, not a lot, just a few things I got. I'm gonna be doing, got stuff to make a smoothie. All right, put that out the way. I'm gonna get everything set up so I can cut up my veggies. Okay. My area all nice and clean. Wipe down my seasonings. I already got bleach in the water. So I like to wipe these down after I get finished with them. Like that. And once they're dry, put them back up. It's good and done. Got me a little water here. Got to stay hydrated, y'all. Got to stay hydrated. Even in the wintertime, still got to be hydrated. Want to drink plenty of fluids. Got to get your vitamin C and all that good stuff. Yeah. Change the climate. Want to be healthy. Got to eat right. Exercise. I got my exercise in this morning. I plan to go to the gym after dinner later on today. That's the plan. So, trying to stick to the plan. Sometimes things change, but that's the plan for today. That's the plan. Okay. Let me get tomato here. Okay. There's a cucumber here somewhere. There you go. I know I had one here somewhere. On me. All right. Clean the sink out. I got some fresh broccoli. broccoli. Just cutting it smaller. What you guys get into today? Sorry for the noise. My broccoli. Okay. Slice up some tomato. And I'm not gonna make a whole lot because when I do, it go to waste. So I'm only making enough salad for dinner today. I don't like wasting food, y'all. Just gonna do enough, just enough for the meal. There you go. You put stuff in the refrigerator, then you keep putting stuff in the refrigerator, then get back in the refrigerator, and you forget you had it in the refrigerator. You don't waste it. I don't like wasting food. Food costs too much. Now, it already costs too much. It been costing too much. Now it really costs too much. No. Don't waste food around here. You waste food, you wasting money. I don't like wasting money either. Oh, ma'am, no, sir. Oh, ma'am, no, sir. Okay, got the cucumber. Yes, I know the skin has a lot of vitamins too, but I'm cutting it off. Sometimes I leave it on, but I'm cutting it off. Okay. That's that. Alright. So I got my salad and everything all prepped up. Chicken in the oven. And that's it. Short live. I'm using the shredded lettuce, and my husband, he likes the sweet baby butter sticks. This is what he's going to use this one. So I like it cold, so I'm putting it in the refrigerator. And that is that. I want to thank everybody for coming. I truly appreciate it. Ooh. Let's see here. Okay. Finish cleaning up my mess here. I don't have too many to clean up. Not much. Not much. That was quick and easy. That's what I like. I like doing quick and easy meals. Quick and easy. Every now and then, one day I'm going to take you all with, throw some on the grill. Go outside when it's not so cold. I do like cooking on the grill. Well, I'm older now. I used to be in the wintertime cooking on the grill. It could be snow outside. But you know, when you get older, your body change, everything change. One day when it's not so cold, I'm gonna go outside, pull that grill out, throw some on the grill, have us a little chit chat. All right, that is it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Can I get some hearts, please? Show the love. Can I get some hearts? Show the love. Show the love. Why people have to beg for the love? That's weird. Show some love. It's free. It is totally free. Look at it. The water ain't cold now. Trying to drink as much fluid as I can. All right. Let's see who's in here. Sandy, the farmer, Vera, Lisa, Christine, Jenny, Diana, Kelly, Linda, Binky, Master, Cynthia, Merlene, Eve, Connie, Jeline, Creole, Mites, Lori, Barbara, Benny, Numbers, Boss Lady, Wildin, Jojo, Bonnie, Don't To, La, Your Face, I'm just gonna say Fun, The Huskineer, Norma, Lisa, Mama K, Keisha, Magdalene, is that Carlita, 73, Numbers, Patricia, Kate, Brooklyn Girl, Angie, who's in my eye? Darlene Bueller, Buckshot, Jen Sandra, Bernie Jason, is that 20, Jennifer, Barker Nikki, Vera Denise, Caitlin, Tash, let's see, Idris, Grim, Amanda, Tick Tick, Hot Mama, Numbers, Rose. Hartwin, Cam. I think that's what. Fatima, Marsha, Linda, Cameron, Deborah, Constance. Finesse, Tam, Sophia, Antoinette, Stacy. Martinez, Cynthia, Unknown, Nat, Zoe, Mike. It says Empress, Shay, Antoinette, Black, Ida, Alvin, Vicky. Is that Laguda, I think. Miss Engage, Michael, Vinny, Zola, Lucinda, William, Rebecca, Tina, Dean, Numbers. Is that Terica, Rose, Eugene, Abina, Penny, Bailey, Diego, Bertha, Diana, Queen, Lily, Alberta, Baby D, Nate, Minnie, Jenny, Karen, Brenda, welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. Thank you all. I appreciate it. Okay, let's see here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Swipe left. All right. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate the love.